Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Aviator Predictor on phone. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First is to go to Chrome and search for Aviator Predictor APK. Now search for whatever link that works for you. In my case, I'll choose this one. I'm gonna tap on download now. And in here I'll download this again, the first one. Let's just wait for it to download. So now it's downloaded. So let's check on the download section. Click on the downloaded link and install. Now if this method doesn't work for you, you can search for more links. As I said earlier, you can choose whatever works for you since it depends on the server. So you can find more in here, and once you found a link that works for you, you just have to do the same step that I did. It's basically just the same. And that's it. I hope you like this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!